Who's excited for Christmas?
Me!
There's a dead roach in there somehow?
Are you serious?
Alright, how many idiots does it take to open a wine bottle?
2.
The chores.
As you may be able to tell, I'm very much into the Christmas season this year, which is, I wouldn't say unlike me, but you usually would not hear me singing Christmas carols every single morning like I have been. But luckily for us, we are actually gonna get to go home for Christmas, and we wouldn't have otherwise, but one of his best friends is getting married. We are leaving in 3 days. Wow, 3 days already. I'm so excited to go see my family. But in the meantime, we have a lot to do to prepare, starting with getting the apartment ready for us to leave for 2 weeks. It's a bit of a mess right now. Okay, no judgment for those who are watching, and no dryers here, so we gotta hang out all of our clothes, and this table's a mess, and I'm gonna need to deep clean these floors. Like I said, a lot to do, a lot to do. So I started my morning teaching 4 English classes online, and Andrew has been playing soccer, so he'll be back soon. He's not gonna skip out on helping me deep clean. Hey!
Oh, God. I don't know why that scared the crap out of me. Hey! I was looking for your face because I love you so much.
Thank you.
And instead, there's a giant microphone and the camera pointed directly at me. Okay, so we've been living in this apartment for the past, 2 months now. It definitely has its issues. It's very difficult sometimes. Lots of bugs, lots of ant problems in the bathroom. Not even just in the bathroom, kind of all over the place.
We have a bucket on the top of our fridge because water will just spontaneously start leaking.
And so we're about to leave for 2 weeks, as you know, to go home for Christmas. So we are about to do the deepest,
darkest,
craziest
deep clean that we've done.
Here's some of the things we gotta do. And if you wanna name some of the things, or like you definitely wanna do something, let me know and I'll write your name next to it.
Yeah, she's talking to you.
Yeah, so who's volunteering here? Put away things, I put it as both of us. Okay, and then dust the room in the living room. I put me for that because I love dusting. The hallway, holy moly. Our landlord brought in a bunch of mud and dirt
From his scooter.
When it came to look at the mold and not fix it.
We sound like we're complaining, which we are, but we are definitely taking this in a much better stride than I think most people would.
Yeah.
Because honestly, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough.
I mean, we'll show you the bathroom eventually. Clean the windows, I got that. Wipe down the kitchen. You wanna do that since you'll be doing the dishes?
Sure.
Okay, let's get started.
This is what I'm talking about. Ta-da! That is ants. That is just ants. And we had problems with them climbing on the ceiling, and our landlord is just like, oh, the rain will take care of them, the rain will take care of them, and then the rain doesn't take care of them. So, and apparently online it said dead ants attract more live ants. We've been trying to clean them all up, but then they just keep dying. But yeah, let's get started. Isn't this so much fun? So much fun. Love it. Honestly though, it's kind of our fault. We rushed into this apartment, so this is what we're stuck with, so. And it could be a lot worse. Yeah, like Jenna said, when we first moved in here, the ants were not this big of a deal. The first 2 weeks, we found like 1, 2, maybe 3 around the bathroom area. And they would come out of this one hole. So we plugged that hole, and then boom, all of them came from all over the place. So I don't know what happened. When we first moved in, we didn't know. So the landlord must have done a really good job of hiding them. See, my might have been wondering what Jenna was talking about the bucket on top of our fridge. Like she said, it spontaneously leaks. We put the mop bucket up there to contain the water, or else kind of the corners of this fridge might mold. Take the bucket, and there's a dead roach in there somehow.
Are you serious?
You know what, I'm not even gonna show that on camera. That's disgusting. Oh yeah, that looks way better.
Really?
And now it is mopping time, which should solve a lot of the issues in here. Oh God! Is that it?
Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, we deep cleaned, so that's good. Now let's just hope for the next few days there's not as many ants, which we'll definitely give you an update if there is.
We are celebrating our cleaning session by this little cheese board that's already pretty much all the way eaten, but it was cute while it lasted. And some pasta with some mushroom sauce. And the best part of all, to top it all off, a nice $3 bottle of wine, which is not cheap here. Speaking of cheap, yeah, this right here is cheap. We got it, and look at this thing. It keeps bending and breaking, and I don't know why we don't replace it, but today apparently is just done. We cannot open our wine. I'm thinking the window, and then push up, and then someone pull the bottle down, so I hope it doesn't go everywhere. Wish us luck.
Yeah, we've been at this for the last like 5 minutes actually. So we were like, why not vlog this in case something stupid happens, which it probably will. All right, how many idiots does it take to open a wine bottle?
Two idiots. Oh my gosh, it's gonna go. Oh my gosh!
Oh my God, that was so easy. We've been doing this for the last like probably 10 minutes while cooking dinner.
Or maybe it just was that easy. And we are just that strong.
I doubt, I hope, unless something else very stupid happens, we might not vlog for the rest of the day.
Yep, so cheers.
So cheers.
Hello, it is now Tuesday, and today was actually our last day of classes before we go home, which is kind of crazy to think about. It's the last day of classes for the year. So also with teaching in a school, Andrew and I teach online English as well, and I just finished up 3 classes. We are going to make dinner, pack up, and get ready to fly out tomorrow morning. So crazy. I'm very excited. And yes, this is our fridge in the living room. Our kitchen's too small to fit a fridge, so it's out here. But my favorite thing about being an English teacher, or just being a teacher in general, in person, is that we get all this art from our students. And today, Andrew and I both came home with a new piece of art. This is the one from Andrew's student, and then my student drew out North America for me, and that was so impressive, and I love it. So sweet. For some reason, our laundry smells so bad.
I think it's our shoes, and it's just, I don't know. This is one of the reasons why I'm excited to go home. To do laundry that doesn't smell like butt cheeks.
To be fair, that's a
Oh!
no, do not put anything on my pillow. I think this is why we don't lifestyle vlog. This is our first attempt.
We were like, man, we're gonna record everything, and then like we just act stupid, which that is our life, to be fair.
That is authentic.
To be fair.
You put your whole face
Yeah,
on.
but this doesn't.
Okay.
It actually doesn't smell that bad.
Okay, yeah, I know I cleaned all this and now it's back to messy, but smell these.
Well, like you said, we smell like butt cheeks. Yeah, that stinks.
Gross.
All right, watch us pack. Haha, so fun. Wow, this is really intense, isn't it?
Sheesh. Gap's gonna be calling your name after this post.
Gap? I think I'm just gonna bring all my pants home because I don't feel like washing them.
You know what you should do? You should wear all your pants home.
That's hilarious.
Fine, I'm not gonna record anymore.
Anyway, time to pack for tomorrow. On it, they came with 6 Lipton cookies, which are the size. Well, the travel day has started. Got the Uber, and it's going to be here in 4 minutes now, so we need to get a move on. trash is out there.
Hurry, get a move on!
This is in war. Feels weird. Feels kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. Not kind of weird, it feels really weird.
Ok, gracias. Buen vuelo y feliz Navidad. Gracias.
¿Es todo? Gracias.
Gracias. We made it to the gate. Our flight's 30 minutes delayed. I'm pretty sure we got our bags checked for free, which is really weird because the lady was just like, here you go, free bags. I don't think they had a credit card machine, so I don't think they were able to do anything. They looked really unprepared at the front. But now we're just gonna be waiting. First stop, Amsterdam. And then we can do the cool transitions.
Vanaf nu doen wij mededelingen voornamelijk in het Engels.
Not a good start. Our screens are frozen. Weren't you just talking smack? Yahtzee champion.
Get that camera out of my face. The chores.
It was hidden. All right, let's go.
It's currently like 5:15 in the morning. I've already been up for about 45 minutes, but I actually got some decent sleep. We're home. We made it home last night around 10ish. Definitely feels a little bit weird being back. Like we said, our apartment is not the comfiest place, but we've made it kind of like our own home. But we're here for Christmas. We're gonna enjoy it as much as possible. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, everyone. See ya.